Let's take a look at these two examples. Again, we're supposed to divide polynomial by binomial. We have to divide every single term from the numerator by the denominator. Okay, so let me rewrite this problem, and I have Tori AB squared divided by 10AB. So I divide this term by this one. I have to copy down this positive sign and divide this term by this. I have 40a squared b to the third over 10ab. Have to copy this negative sign minus 10ab over 10ab. This is going to be equal 30 divided by 10 is 3. A and A will cancel out because A divided by A is 1. Next, I have B to the second power divided by B. Remember, anytime there is no exponent, there is always invisible 1. Anytime we divide variables with the same base, we're supposed to keep the base and subtract the exponents. That's why I'm going to write B to the first. Remember, we don't write power 1. That's why I'm going to write just 3B. Plus 40 divided by 10 is 4. Remember, anytime we do not see any exponents, there is always invisible 1. I have A and A, the same base, and division. Keep the base and subtract the exponents. 2 minus 1 is 1. We don't write exponent 1. B to the third divided by B to the first. Again, I have the same base, B. Anytime I have division, I'm supposed to subtract the exponents. 3 minus 1 is 2. I have to write 2. Subtract minus 10ab divided by 10ab. We have exactly the same terms. Okay, anytime you divide term by itself, the answer is always 1. They cancel each other, and the answer from this division is always equal 1. So this is the answer for my first problem. Let's take a look at this example. Again, I have polynomial in the numerator. I have to divide by binomial. I have to divide every single term from the numerator by the denominator. I have minus 9 delta 6 divided by minus 3 delta to the fourth power. Okay, I divide this term by this. Next, I have to copy negative sign and divide this term by this one. I have 6 delta to the fifth divided by negative 3 delta to the fourth. Plus, I have to copy down this sign, 3 delta 4 over negative 3 delta 4. I divide this term by this one. Negative divided by negative will give me positive. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Delta, I have the same base, and division. Anytime I have the same base, I have to subtract the exponent. That's why I'm going to have delta to the second power, because 6 minus 4 is 2. Next, negative divided by negative will give me positive. 6 divided by 3 is 2. That's why I'm going to write positive 2. Delta, delta, and division. Okay, I have to keep delta and subtract the exponents. 5 minus 4 is 1. Anytime I have exponent 1, I don't write it. Next, positive divided by negative gives me negative. And I have 3 delta to the 4th power divided by 3 delta to the 4th power. We have exactly the same terms. They're going to cancel each other. And 3 delta to the 4th power divided by 3 delta to the 4th power is equal 1. This is the solution for my second problem.